All right. Hey, welcome back to my channel, The Urban Soul Kitchen. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today is August the 1st. It's the new month, which means new day, new opportunities. And I'm excited about this month. I don't know what this month holds, but I'm excited because we're moving closer towards November. And those of you that have watched the last few videos, we have a challenge amongst ourselves, and some of you have accepted the challenge, and that challenge is to save your spare change and your spare dollars from now to November. And some of you are going to save it up until December. But whichever month you decide to do your reveal on how much you have saved, I'm excited that you've taken the challenge and that you have taken the steps to move forward with it. It's going to be a challenge, especially if you've never done this before. Sometimes you can be encouraged by what you see you have, and sometimes discouragement will settle in because you don't have much that day to deposit. Now today was an exciting day for me. I had put some money aside under keyboard actually a couple of months ago, and to my surprise I lifted the keyboard and there were several $100s under the keyboard. Glory. Several $100s. I counted them out. I can't even remember actually how much now, but I counted it and put it in my box that I have for savings. So I'm excited because that's getting me closer to my goal. And I promise you, if you check some of your coat pockets, some of your purses, some of your wallets, you probably have a few dollars in there that you did not know you had. And if you didn't know you had it, put that in the box. Put it in the box and save it for November, December. Now, this is going to be challenging, but as I said, you can do it, but you have to take it $1, 1 cent at a time. And each time you make a deposit, it gets you closer to the goal. And the big reveal, you're going to have more than you started out with. So stay committed, stay focused. I also want to speak to those of you that are entrepreneurs. This money that you put aside can actually be the money that you use to go to Alibaba or wherever you buy supplies and get some stock, where that you can get income off that. You know, if you have to buy some spices to sell, which that's what I do, and I have sales still coming in, and every dollar that I get from my sales is going into the box. I have a goal, it's several thousand that I want to reach between now and November. Hopefully November, if I push it, I may go to December, but I'm shooting for November right now. But I'm moving closer. So stay focused. You're going to get discouraged, but speak to that disencouragement and let it know that you're going to continue to move forward. And if you do this for 30 to 40 days, you're going to create a habit of putting money to the side. When you get home or when you wake up in the morning, you're going to empty your pockets and put it in the jar. And as I said, every time you put something in, it gets you closer. But you got to stay committed. That's what I'm here to tell you today, is stay committed to the vision. Stay committed to the dream. And if you stay committed, your commitment is going to bring about dividends and a reward. There's a lot of money to be made on social media and on the social media networks. And those of you that have YouTube channels, I want to encourage you, keep promoting your channel. Sometimes you have to promote it in your Facebook groups or even on your Facebook page. Put a link on there to let people know you're there. If you don't have 1,000 subscribers, you can get it. You can get it. I sat at, it's an emergency vehicle, give it a moment to go by, along with the geese that are going by. But I sat at, I think it was 20 some subscribers for years. And then I decided a couple of years ago, I haven't done it lately, but I decided to really focus on my YouTube, and it grew to where it is now. So now my objective is to double the subscribers that I have. And if you have not subscribed, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. But my objective now is to double my subscription subscribers. And I'm looking at these geese, they chasing each other. Canadian geese are very violent. But I'm working, and I want to encourage you, you can do it too. All you have to do is set goals and strategically plan to accomplish and achieve the goals that you're setting. And you may be under 1,000 right now, but if you continue to strategically put out videos, you can do it. I see so many people on YouTube that have become millionaires, not just through YouTube, but through other social networks and putting out content. And you know what? I'm crazy enough to believe that I can do the same thing as well. And I'm crazy enough to believe that if you haven't done it, you can do it too. And that's why we're on this journey together to get income from strategically saving, as well as strategically placing our videos and being consistent with it. So I want to encourage you. It's a lot of work producing videos. It's a lot of work, and you don't see money on the front end. But if you continue to be faithful and committed to your dream and vision, you'll begin to see some income. Now, me, I'm not at the point where I can give you a great testimony of the great income that I've made off YouTube. Now, I've made money here on YouTube, especially around Thanksgiving time. I make several hundreds of dollars, but during the year, it's not that high. But, and I guess, and a matter of fact, I know it's because I have not been working a YouTube channel. But I'm now on that journey because our society has changed. We're no longer in the Industrial Revolution. We're in the information age. Now, by trade, by training, by my schooling, I am an an IT engineer, actually is what I am. And I've been doing that for over 20 years, but I'm ready to phase out and get some of this money that's on the internet. And it's slowly but surely happening, and I want you to go on the journey and stay on the journey with me, and I'm here to tell you that it can happen for you because it's happening for me, and it's not just YouTube. I want anybody on here that's ever tried Forex, put in the comment section if you have actually tried it. I'm looking into that right now. I've seen some great testimonies from it, and I'm in some type of training to learn more about it. But if I have any subscribers that have tried the Forex, I'm not talking about the MLM version, but I'm talking about the actual getting on there. I think it's an app. I can't remember what it was. Can't remember what the app was, but there's an app. There's a version 4 and version 5 of Forex, and people are actually making money. I've seen it, so I'm in training now. But if anybody on there have any information on what it takes to be good at it and what it's done for you and how it's benefited you, put it in the comment section. That's one of the avenues I'm looking. I believe you need multiple streams of income, and I'm looking into that, so I need some help on that. But if you are not, some of y'all may be wealthy, but if you don't have several streams of income, start working at it, because we don't know where the economy's going, we don't know where society's going, and we want to have more control of our destiny and our time. Time is a commodity that is so priceless, so valuable, and you know, to make it simple, you can lose money, you can lose homes, jobs, you can lose everything and get it back again. But once you've lost time and some opportunities, they'll never come back around. So I'm at a phase in life where I'm trying to make the most of my time. And this is one of the ways, by creating 7 streams of income. YouTube is one, my Spices is another, and I have a couple of other, and I want to encourage you, don't just settle where you are, but believe that you can achieve even more. All right, I've taken enough of your time here. If you've not hit my subscription button, hit the subscribe button today, and stay tuned. I'm in the kitchen. I'm working on producing some videos. I got one that I did last week on Birria. I think that's how you say it, B-R-R-I-A tacos. Man, I'm telling you, when I finished with that, it was delicious. So I got pictures and I got video that are coming soon. So subscribe, hit the notification button. You probably get a sound like that when you hit it, but hit the notification button, and once I release that video, share it and try it. And once you try it, come back and give a review, because mine is kind of different. I add two ingredients that makes mine different from anybody's that I've seen on the internet. Now, you can take it and make it, and once they taste that yours are different, you don't have to share this with them. Keep it to yourself, and we'll just keep it in the Urban Soul Kitchen community as one of our secrets. So I want to thank you once again for tuning in, and hit that subscribe button and check out some of the other videos here on my channel, The Urban Soul Chef. God bless you, and I look forward to talking and sharing with you in the future. And empty your pockets tonight. Empty them in the morning. Let's move closer to our goals for November and December. Talk to you later.